Okay, going to the fifth question, and here it is given that 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Now, this seems to be a very big question. These type of questions will come to you for 3 to 4 marks, okay? And the other type of questions that we have done in the first exercise, they will come for 1 mark only, okay? Now again in here we need to make the denominators equal to simplify this particular question. Okay, so to make the denominators equal, we can very clearly say 3 and 4 are prime numbers. They don't fall in the same, they don't come in the same table, so we need to multiply. They cannot be much difficult of an LCM in here. It would be just multiplying with the opposite terms of the denominators. So this becomes 9t, 3 into 3t, and then this becomes minus 6. 3 into 2, 6. Okay, by I have a 12, minus is common in here, then I have 4 2's 8t plus 12 by 12 I get here. Again in here I do not have a denominator, so what I'm going to do is, for now let's just keep it like this itself, 2 by, because I don't want to complicate this particular part with having a different denominator. Okay, so let's simplify this part in here. So making the denominators common, 12, it becomes 90 minus 6. This minus sign is for the full fraction, so it is for each term in here. Okay, so it becomes minus 8t and minus 12. This each sign gets multiplied with minus in here, so it becomes 2 by 3 minus of t. It becomes, then this becomes, this t and this t term will be simplified. It becomes t. This minus 6 minus 12 term will be simplified again. It becomes minus 18 by 12 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Okay, now here what I can do is I can bring this t towards this particular side. T minus 18 by 12 plus t is equal to 2 by 3 is what I get here. No denominator, so multiply by 12 in the numerator and denominator. T minus 18 plus 12t by 12 is equal to 12 by 3, 2 by 3. Look at these two denominators. What do I get? They both come in the same table, so I can strike them off. 3 ones are and 4s are. It becomes this t and this becomes 13t minus 18 by 4 is equal to 2. Now simply I need to make t as the only element on this particular side of the equation. So first, some students say we can send 18. No, 18 is in a relationship with this t. If you can see here, 4 खाली है, 4 कोई relation में नहीं है, 4 सबसे दूर है. 4 is सबसे दूर from this particular equation. So पहले 4 को भेजा जाएगा. It is in denominator, numerator में चले जाएगा. या division में है, उसको हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, multiplication में जाएगा. So 2 into 4 that becomes an 8. Okay, अब ये 18 जाएगा क्योंकि 18 सबसे दूर है t से. So 13t is equal to 8. इधर जाके प्लस 18 हो जाएगा वो. So 13t is equal to, what does it become? 8 8 16, 26. Okay, now 13 and 26 comes in this 13 ka table itself, isn't it? They come in 13 table. 13 ones are, 13 twos are, so I get t is equal to 2 would be the answer in here. Okay, so what did we do for this particular question? We went with simplifying the denominators, making them as a single fraction, going on simplifying it, then we brought this t term together and simplified that again. Then it became linear equation in here. On this particular step, you know how to calculate a linear equation. Going to the sixth question now. The sixth question is m minus m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. M terms are here, m terms are here. I can bring this m terms together, all of them. Okay, so what we are going to do, m minus 1 by 2 minus goes towards the other side, plus of this by 2 is equal to 1 I have here. Okay, now it doesn't have a denominator, so we'll put it a 1. Put as 1 here, denominator. This LCM is anyways going to be a 6 itself. So this multiplies by a 6, this multiplies by a 6, this multiplies by 3, this whole multiplies by 3, this multiplies by 2, and this whole multiplies by a 2. And equal to 1 will be here. So this becomes 6m minus 3m minus 3 plus 2m. How did I get 3 minus 3m? Because this multiplied with each term in here. Okay, then this 2 multiplies with this. 2m minus of 4 it becomes in here. M term, m term, m term. Let's simplify this. 6 minus 3, it becomes 3. 3 plus 2, 5m. Okay, then this is your negative terms, constant terms that you have. Minus 3 and minus 4, same signs, so you need to add them by plus 7. Sorry, minus 7, because both of them have minus sign, and 6 is equal to 1. Then what am I going to do? I am going to send the 6 towards the other side. It becomes 5m minus 7 is equal to 6. It is a linear equation. You are much aware of it now. Minus 7 goes towards the other side. 5m is equal to 6 plus 7 in here, and then it becomes 5m, which is equal to 13. So m is equal to 5 upon 13 would be your answer. Now you may ask, why have I not cancelled the terms in here? Why? Because 5 and 13, they don't come in the same table, so we cannot simplify them. Your only answer that you can get is a fraction. Mostly leave your answers in fraction. Don't try to convert them in decimals. Why? Because we don't deal with much of the decimals in this particular chapter. Okay, leave it as it is. That would be much preferable.